Hi children, fifth class maths, page number 62, third Roman. Write the expanded form of the following numbers. Write the expanded form of the following numbers. First of all, write the heading. Write the expanded form of the following numbers. Following numbers. First problem is expanded form. Already we have learned expanded form. See once, count the numbers once. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Okay. Now 69 crore, 28 lakh, 69 crore, 28 lakh, 42,910. 910. Okay. Now answer is expanded form means face value into place of the digit. Here face value is 6. Place of the digit 10 crore. Place of the digit 10 crore. Suppose 10 crore is equal to how many zeros? We don't know. Now we don't know means here after 6 how many digits are there? Count once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digits are there. Now keep write 1 after 8 zeros. 8 zeros means 1. Keep 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the place value of 6 is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Understand? Next one, 9 into face value 9 into place of the digit. Place of the digit means here place of the digit is crores. Place of the digit is crores. Suppose 1 crore is equal to how many zeros we don't know. Now after 9 how many digits are there? 7 digits are there. Here write 1 after keep 7 zeros. Keep 7 zeros. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now place by ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore. Okay. Next one, Next one, plus 2 into place value of 2 is face value into place of the digit. Face value means itself. That means 2 into place of the digit. 10 lakhs. What? 10 lakhs. Suppose 10 lakhs is equal to how many zeros? We don't know. Now, right after 2, how many digits are there? 6 digits are there. Now, keep 6 zeros one after. See, keep 6 zeros 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 10 lakhs place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Okay. Next one, 8 into, that means expanded form means face value into place of the digit. Face value means itself only. Itself. That means 8. Place of the digit, which place this is? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs. Which place this is? 1 lakh. Okay. Now, after 8, 5 digits are there. Keep here 5 zeros. Keep here 5 zeros. Plus 4 into 10,000. 4 into 10,000 plus 2 into 1,000 plus 9 into 100 plus 1 into 10 plus 0 into 1. That means 1 place, 10 place multiply with 10, 100 place multiply with 100, 1,000 place multiply with 1,000. Now, here close all zeros. Close all zeros. Now 6 into 1. 6 ones are 6. 6 ones are 6. Here how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros are there. Keep 8 zeros product of the right side. That means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 60 crore. What is this place value? 60 crore plus 9 into 1. 9. 9 ones are 9. Here how many zeros are there? How many zeros are there? Yes, 7 zeros are there. Keep 7 zeros product of the right side. Keep 7 zeros product of the right side. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Next one. 2 into 1. 2. Here how many zeros are there? 6 zeros are there. Put 6 zeros product of the right side. Put 6 zeros product of the right side. Okay. Next one. 8 into 1. 8 into 1, 8. 8 ones are 8. Close zeros. 8 ones are 8. How many zeros are there? Yes. Here 5 zeros are there. Keep 5 zeros. Product of the right side. Keep 5 zeros. Product of the right side. Next one. 4 into 10,000. 4 into 10,000. Now 4 into 1. Close 4 zeros. Close 4 zeros. 4 ones are 4. How many zeros are there? 4 zeros are there. Keep 4 zeros. Product of the right side. Okay. Next one. 2 into 1,000. 2 ones are 2. Close 3 zeros. 2 ones are 2. Here 3 zeros are there. Put 3 zeros. Product of the right side. Plus 9 into 1. 9 ones are 9. Here how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. So put 2 zeros. Product of the right side. Plus 1 into 10. 10. Plus 0 into 1. 0 into 1. 0. 0 into anything is 0. So 0. Now the place value is expanded form. Expanded form is 60 crore, 9 crore, 20 lakh plus 8 lakh plus 40,000 plus 2,000 plus 900 plus 10. Okay. This is the expanded form. This is the expanded form. Okay. Here 60 crore. What is this? 60 crore. That means 6 10 crore. 6 10 crores plus here how many crores are there? How many crores are there? 6 10 crores plus 9 crores. 9 crores plus 9 crores plus how many lakhs? 2 10 lakhs. How many lakhs? 2 10 lakhs plus 8 lakhs plus 4 10,000. 4 10,000 4 10,000 plus 4 10,000 plus 2 2,000 plus 900 plus 110. Here 0 110. See once 60 crore means 6 10 crores, 9 crores, 2 10 lakhs, that means 20 lakhs plus 8 lakhs plus 4 10,000 because here 4 into 10,000 40,000. 4 10,000 plus 2,000 okay 900 110. This is the expanded form. I understand. Next one B. Next one B. All of you write neatly. Next one B. Next one B. B. Okay. Now here 8 into which place this is? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs so is equal to how many zeros we don't know, means face value itself, face value into place of the digits 10 lakhs. That means here how many digits are there? 6 digits are there. Keep 6 zeros. 2, 4, 5, 6 plus 6 into lakhs plus. That means after 6, 5 digits are there. Keep 5 zeros. Plus 4 into 10,000. That means after 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros are there. 4 digits are there. Keep 4 zeros. Plus 6 into 1000. After 6, 3 digits are there. Keep 3 zeros. Plus 9 into 100. Plus 8 into 10. Plus 0 into 1 is equal to, we know that 8 ones are 8. How many zeros are there? 6 zeros are there. How many zeros are there? 6 zeros are there. Put 6 zeros product of the right side. Okay. Next one, close all zeros. 6 ones are 6. Right, 6. After 6, here 5 zeros are there. Keep 5 zeros product of the right side. Plus 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. Here 4 ones are 4. How many zeros are there? 4 zeros are there. 4 zeros are there. Keep 4 zeros product of the right side. Next one, 6 ones are 6. Put 3 zeros product of the right side. Plus 9 ones are 9. Here 2 zeros are there. Plus 8 ones are 8. That means 80. Plus 0 into anything is 0. 0 into anything is 0. Okay. Now here 8, 10 lakhs, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. 8, 10 lakhs plus 6 lakhs plus 4 10,000s plus 6,000s plus 9 hundreds plus 8 tens. 8 tens. Are you understand? Write neatly, all of you. Okay. Next one. See homework for you. See homework. Okay. Thank you.